Hello, Bear Valley Chiropractic Center. My name is Joe Sales Jr., and I'm from NV Digital Solutions, a marketing agency. I know this video is a little bit different, but recently I've been doing some research on chiropractors in the Victor Valley area, and I came across your business. I have some suggestions for you, so I figured I'd make a quick video to share a few tips that can help you beat out your competition online and easily get more patients. So let's get into this. Okay, Dr. Rubio, the things that I wanted to discuss here are your Google Business Profile, citations used to boost your Google Business Profile, reviews that your customers give you that are listed in your Google Business Profile, and then I have a couple of bonus points that I'd like to bring up at the very end. So looking into your Google Business Profile, when I look up your name of your business, I find your business, and one of the first things I can tell you is that I find that you have a lot of citations that are boosting your profile. All of these, like Yelp and Facebook and MapQuest, Yellow Pages, all of these are basically directories. Oh, Facebook's not, but it's a social center. But the rest of these are basically directories, and the beauty of directories and how they help your business profile is that they pretty much acknowledge that your business is a real business, and simply they carry your business name, your address, your phone number, and your email, and you want to make sure that they're carried exactly the same way on each one of these business directories. When they are, then you'll come up really high on the page. You search your business, you'll see tons of them like you do here on this page. So that's outstanding work there. But when I'm looking at this, I also see you have reviews. When I look at this, you have 25 reviews showing. That's a good number to be showing. But what I do see as an issue is that you haven't signed in and that you don't own your own business profile. That is something that you want to go in there immediately and make sure you put all your information in there and own it, because otherwise a competitor or just some kid on the street or anybody can take control of your Google Business Profile, and you'll have a very difficult time getting that back. I've experienced that in the past, and it can be rough to get it all back under control. But let's move on. The strength of those citations, let me go to this. The strengths of those citations, when I look up Victorville chiropractors, I see that the top 3 chiropractors in your area are Stein Chiropractic, and they have 1,200 reviews. You see Hands of Health Chiropractic, they have 600 reviews. Active Care Chiropractic has 32 reviews. When I go into find out about more of the chiropractors in the area, then I start counting down. So those were the first 3. And yours comes up as number 4 under Victorville Chiropractors. If I change that, remove the S, yours comes up as number 5 on that list. And that means you're situated as in the perfect position to overcome one of these other sites in the top reviews there. So let me just use this as an example here. You have Inland Chiropractic, which only has 29 reviews behind you, or just barely ahead of you in reviews, but they're behind you. So that means their citations probably, they probably have fewer citations. They have a lower review score than you do. Mojave Chiropractic has a lower review score than you do, but they have more reviews, and they may have more citations than you. But you have the opportunity to jump past this one here with they have 32 reviews, you have 25, you have a score of 5, they have a score of 4.8. So there's some possibility here to be able to bypass them. One of the strengths I see that they have is that they have a website, but your website, when I go to that, your website is not in existence currently. And so we need to do something about getting you a website or redirecting your strategy so you don't have that one showing there. One of the things that I want to point out here is about the website. When we discuss the website here, like I said, you don't have a website currently, but there's one way you can really easily pull a website together on your own, or you could turn around and have a website built for you, or build a regular website. The beauty of websites is that it carries content with your keywords that your business is interested in, and Google uses that information to demonstrate your experience, your expertise, your authority or authoritativeness, and your trustworthiness. And so you want to have content out there on the internet that's constantly going up, especially under something that you control, not like a Facebook page, but like something that you would control, like your own website. The next best thing is to have that ability on your Google Business Profile. So you are able to build a small website for free using your Google Business Profile. And that's the bonus that I wanted to share with you. Well, that's it. I hope you found this video to be educational. And if you'd like to know more about how Envy Digital can help you to outperform your competition, then please reach out so we can chat about it. I have more tips and a lot more that I can show you about how to help you improve your business online presence. If not, I hope you can put some of these tips to use for yourself. All I ask is that you give me feedback on this video, because this is something new that I'm trying, and I would like to know if it's worthwhile to send these to other people in other areas. Anyway, thank you again for watching this video, and have a great day.